Okay, I think I am live. I am unfortunately doing some stuff right now. If you're, I just said, I said to look at the chat, but I realized the chat is kind of broken. Let me get this going again. Docs, chat. There we go. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing some research in just a second. I have some really good results. Um, but I need to unfortunately, I need to do something really quickly that I cannot show on screen because it's all back end stuff. Um, Let me get this on. Oopsies. Okay. Hold on one second. Oh, gosh. Okay. Uh, yeah, but how are y'all doing? I have some really cool turtle results that I cannot wait to get to. I'm gonna change this up. Okay. So, I need to do a few things. You know what? I'm gonna make this a whole lot easier on myself. Let's go into. Let's see. How can I do this? I am just going to make a new scene. No, nope. Oop, that didn't work. Um, we're gonna have to hide the display capture really quick. Um, I did not even know I had a background. How are y'all doing though? Yeah, I need to do some things really quickly that I wish I could show. It's just all admin chat type of stuff, so it's not really a good idea to show that. But I have chat up. I can see chat. I can see everything. So how are y'all doing? This will only take me a couple minutes. I have a new camera set up, so obviously I have a new camera. Not a new camera. This is my old camera. I just finally got it set up. But I. What the hell is that? Okay, new in bed message. I just need to do this really quick. So here we go. Now I can actually focus on this. So okay. Bounty 66 2022. Twitter Spaces. Author name. New bounty alert. Cool. Help us participate. Twitter Spaces. Okay. Yeah, so I'm kind of doing a lot at the moment. 1,000 seeds. Sorry, I need to put up a bounty, but unfortunately means I have to go through a lot of admin chat things. But this is all good stuff, so I'm not too crazy worried about it. Okay. Reward. Cool. 1,000 seeds. Reach. Space. Okay. Bounty type. Mammals type. Okay. Bounty due. Friday 6/17. Cool. Okay. Research. Cool. You can post possible spaces in on the thread in the thread in Dow General. Each one that is a good fit for mammals. Each one you post. Each one you post that is a good fit for mammals. Will award you 1,000 seeds. Okay. Cool beans, cool beans, cool beans. Preview. Okay. And so, save and close. Boom. And then over in Dow General, look at this, almost done, almost done. I said it would only take a second. Create a thread. Create a thread. Okay. Twitter Spaces bounty. Howdy hey at Bounty Hunters. If you find any Twitter Spaces, Twitter Space that fit this bounty. For this bounty. Post in here. Okay, boom. Copy message link. Edit. Cool. Okay, that's finally over with. I can close that for now. Okay, let's actually figure out what the hell we're doing today, because I got some neato stuff. Turn back on this display capture. Alrighty then. So, I got some results, some research that we need to go through. So, if I hop on over into my Notion, we're going to go to my Notion. So again, I organize everything in Notion, but I kind of teased this last time that I have some really cool results from this analysis called CANAPE, C-A-N-A-P-E. It stands for Categorical Analysis of Neo-Paleoendemism. Basically, it shows us areas of the world that have what is considered older endemics versus newer endemics. And I have no idea what the fuck it means. Just point blank, no idea what it means. So let me put this up. So that, let's do this. Okay, we figuring this out right now over on the YouTubes. Over on the YouTubes. Link in my bio to get to it. Link in my bio to get to it. Cool beans. But let's figure out some coffee really quick, because I just need a cup. But yeah, these are some really cool results. So okay. So as a brief re-explanation of what all of this is, apologies for the grinding. I need to make my Canopy results. We might also go live on YouTube or live on Instagram at the same time, once I kind of figure out a little bit more about what's going on here. So I have some really good guesses. The thing is, I need to correlate these in some way with these I read the word edge, with these phyloregions here. So these are phyloregions, right? These are some things that I created up. basically showing areas of endemism for the different areas. So what I think I want to do is we're going to go through each particular area one by one, comparing them to NN et al., which is right here. This is a different bioregionalization that did not include phylogenetics. And I have some questions about their methodology, particularly when it comes to Australia. And while we're doing this, gonna drink some coffee, gonna relax, gonna get some hemp going because my back and neck are killing me, and try to figure this out. I have some really good ideas, but as always, this is a conversation. I want to be able to talk with you about this. So if you have any questions, anything that comes to mind, any thoughts, any ideas, let me know, because I really like to know. This is, I love making this a two-way street. That's what research should be, is a conversation. So what I think I'm going to do that would probably be the most useful is we're going to go through this in a couple different ways. I think we're going to start, first off, divided by these 3 different areas. So, I've divided it up into Western Hemisphere, Africa, Europe, and then Asia, Australia. No real reason why I chose those areas other than it was easy for me to do. But, yeah, we'll dive into some R. We'll try to make some statistics. We'll try to understand this better. But yeah, it should be pretty straightforward what we're doing today. And I am extraordinarily excited because these are some results that I have been trying to get done for weeks now. And this is going to be a great chapter for my thesis. Yep. I am very excited for this, though. I will also be needing to put on some headphones, put on some music, so that I can actually focus a little bit more. And let's figure out the hemp situation, since my joints and anxiety are going nutso. And yes, as a reminder, for those of you who've never seen me before, I have massive joint and muscular issues that give me chronic pain and anxiety and all this stuff. So what I do is I smoke hemp to help me through it all. Which is a very interesting thing. I only started doing it in the last, I don't know, 6 months to a year maybe. It's federally legal. It's very, very nice. It's basically, I mean, it is cannabis, but it's CBD only, no THC. Basically, you only get a body high and no head high, so it keeps me ultra focused while removing any pains that I have. No different than CBD oil, except it's a hell of a lot cheaper to smoke it. But yeah. So. Yeah, cool. Got the coffee going. But yeah, so I have some interesting ideologies. I think we're going to have to go through this a little bit. We're going to have to investigate this further and maybe go into some of the source material for Canopy, go into some of the, well, literally what I just said, the source material, but try to understand these results a little bit better. So there's going to be a lot of looking things up, researching, trying to understand what is going on here. And as always, if you want to see anything on these streams, if you want me to talk about anything, if you want me to go on a completely side-ranted diatribe about anything, just let me know, because I am down. I had someone tell me today that for the game shows, Naturalist Showdown, that what I should do is get into a call, because I have a very unique personality that either vibes or doesn't, and I want someone who vibes with me on the calls. So, going to arrange little 5-minute talks and stuff. But yeah, let's get into this. Now, I think what we'll have to do today is also make some summary statistics related to each of these regions, to the species, try to understand it a bit better. So I feel like ooh, Jesus Christ. What I want to figure out, though, is within... Oh, God. Okay, there we go. Ah, sweet. Okay. Look at that. Let's get the music going. Okay, whatever. Now, let's see. Lately, I've been on a kick of these classical music playlists. There we go. You're a tragic villain of the 19th century. They're all like memes playlists. That one's not even that good. Overthinking moments from the past that have made you who you are now. I love it. Perfection. Okay. Now then, I need to do a write-up. Where am I going? Where am I going? Okay. So we also do have Edge by file or region. I almost think I should get some summary stats of the canopy process, but... So the cool thing about this is that these canopy results, right? They are not explicitly tied to the file or regions. I ran them over the same units that I used for these file or regions, right? So hydrobasin units. And if we look at it, we have areas of mixed endemism, which mean they have various types of endemism. Neoendemics are areas that have newer species on the phylogeny. Paleoendemics have older species on the phylogeny. Superendemics have a lot of both. What I should do is I should open up the package biodiverse. And what I'm thinking about doing is I might have to rearrange a few things. I want to see if in biodiverse there's a way to make... Let's actually Google this really quick. Biodiverse... here we go. Because I'm curious about how to make visualizations. Use clusters and spatial conditions. Varying the size of the window gives an understanding of the spatial scale of patterns. Okay. So, let's open up the base data file that I'm using. Oh, shit. Okay, good. Okay. So yeah, we have our results here. We also will need to open up a tree. It's not in tabular format. No, but... Yeah, so here's kind of the issue, though. Is that I don't really have a great way of selecting different grid cells because they're all done very oddly. So... Huh. Oh my god, I can upload a shapefile? Oh, hold on. I did not know this. Hold on. Okay. This might be exactly what I needed. Okay, wait. It's a big shapefile. Because this is the thing, I want to be able to like select an area and figure out what species are there. And yeah, it is a very big shapefile, so it might be freezing. Yeah, okay, just give it a second. Just give it a second so it doesn't crash. Get some relaxation plants. At least I think this is what I'm wanting. Yeah, I need to figure out a way though. Okay, let's actually go into it because I think this is very important to do. So, overlays. Okay. So let's see. Okay, overlay. No. Yeah, so what I'm wanting to do is basically make something that looks like this, but with my Hydra Basin units. So that's not what I'm wanting. Yeah, but this is kind of the issue, right? Okay, let's go to the GitHub page. I think that'll be the best thing to do. How do I get there? It's probably at the bottom, right? Yeah. Full lists. More than 300 indices are supported. See the help pages. Okay, yeah, we need to go to GitHub. Okay, that's annoying. Okie dokie. So the problem is they don't have everything ready. Like this is not great. It's not done yet, really. Not done. It is done. What am I trying to say? It's just not fully there in terms of what is visible. So some things are like on there that I don't even have documentation yet, which is fine. I'm not like upset by that. It just means that we really need to make things a little bit better. Yeah, because this is the thing, like, where is the overlay? So what if I look for overlay? You see, there's like a lot of things for like overlay in the code, but no pages, unless here it's in the wiki. Let's say it's in key concepts. Map overlays. You can display a feature in group pane recognition of groups. Okay, wait. You can display a vector dataset in the group grid pane as a background to make it easier to identify groups. That's not what I'm wanting. Let's see if I can import the data. Ooh. Rasters, shapefiles. Next. Let's just see what this looks like. Because maybe this is what I needed this whole time. Okay. Okay, cancel, base data. Let's try and import again. I remember, so this thing is a little bit weird. Inputs, shapefiles. Next. Let's say they are in matrix form. No. R data frame column. I mean, this could be it. Let's say they are text groups. One group and one label. I just want to see what this does. Okay. And then while this is going, I want to look into, because on the data structures, it would be in base data. See, data structures. Okay, we'll go here. Base data. Base data is a primary storage object. One potentially. Okay. labels typically represent species. Named entity. No. I know what I need to do. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this data matrix that we have and then make it into a shape file and export it. We'll have a simple features that we'll export as a shape file and then try to get into here. And maybe that'll be enough to actually do it. So let's get into R. Because the thing is, I think once we have this visualization, including the regions, we'll be able to understand the data more. We'll be able to understand our results even further. Okay, while R is getting ready, how are y'all doing, by the way? How is your day going? Is your research messing up? Is your research doing good? It's okay if it is. You can let me know. I promise it's okay. Let me know if you're having any trouble. It's all good. I'm on like 7 different projects at the moment. In fact, while this is going, I'm going to put away my Stream Deck. So whenever I do the game show, Naturalist Showdown, I use this Stream Deck with a custom soundboard and everything. But I only need it for that. I should start using it for these streams, but realistically, there's not much I need at the moment until I start doing this way more regularly. So just to free up some desk space and USB space, I'm going to put it away at the moment. And then, ooh, there's an update for R, but I'm going to do that later. Cool. Oakley dokley dokley day. I don't know why I keep saying that shit. Okay. Boom. Boom. And boom. Okay. Nice. Okay. So I think I understand what I need to do. So if we have here, so let's look at our environment. What do we have here? So we have this, which is the outputs. That's not really what we're needing. We have Hydro Basin. And what I want to do is, you see all of these, each layer, I think I need to combine this with this presence absence matrix. This one, I think. And then export that as a shape file. So you see how this one has all the species names and then this? So I need to combine it with here. So I think what I would need to do is, this should be pretty easy actually. Let's do it as, let's go into visualizations because I think that's the right spot to do it. Okay. So let's do it as, first off, let's load in some libraries, SF, and library tidyverse. I didn't actually realize I could do this, if I can do this. So, okay. So then we're going to do is we're going to do a hydro presab is equal to merge hydro basin with, I think we're going to need to transpose presab by dot x is equal to hibas id. And I think that'll just do it. They need to specify different numbers of columns. So, and I want to say that, okay, well, let's first take the, okay, presab df is equal to as dot data dot frame presab. So what does that do? If we make it just presab df, can I open this up and see it? I just want to see if it keeps names, if I have to make its own column. I think what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to transpose this and then make a column. So first off, let's transpose this. We just use the T command to transpose. Very useful little function in R. So now if we open up, you see that it's been shifted. That's what transposing does. It's like taking the data frame and rotating it 90 degrees. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new column that is this, the row names. Okay, and then we're going to do this and mutate it. Row, okay, we'll actually just call this hibas ID is equal to the row dot names of that. In a pipeline, in a R pipeline, a period means taking the last thing. So now if we go to presabdf, it's going to be all the way at the end, but we can get to that. I think this is, this shows the end. So now we see here, HiBAS ID, it's correlating, or it's not correlating, it's literally just the row IDs. So I know it's in a weird way of looking at it. But now I can merge this, no longer have to T it because I already did that up there. Presabdf, and we'll just do it by equals HiBAS ID. And then cool, look at this, hydrobasin presab, hydropresab. We have all the species and we have everything here. Boom, done. Okay, wow, told you, that was easy. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to write.cs, can I do it as a shapefile? Rewrite, okay. Write SF, hydropresab, file is equal to outputs, hydropresab.shp. Data should DSN. Is that DSN? Okay, so I need to not do file, that should be DSN. Boom. Unknown field name, updating a layer. What? Oh, you know what? I don't think that actually worked. That did not work. Okay, wait, is there like a merge for SF? Wait, does SF have a merge? No. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's do this really quick. Okay. That's probably all it is. SF merge data frame. So this is my life. This is my research life. Okay, there we go. Exactly what I need. I thought it was just merge. Yeah, okay. I thought it was just merge. Okay, but it's not actually working the way I want it to. Do I just need to add the all equals true? All equals true. Maybe that'll do it something way better. I think that's right. No, and I don't think this is actually going correctly. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just st-get geometry. Okay, let's do the st-get st-geometry, actually. Just st-geometry of hydrobasin. We'll do that by, that is, st-drop geometry. Okay, cool. So now then this is just the actual data matrix. Okay, cool. And so now we'll do this as the, we'll just call it out, make it easy. Out is, this might be just overcomplicating things. We'll call this, what is it, hydrobasin? Out is equal to hydrobasin. However, st geometry of out is going to be hydropresab. Boom. Okay. Is it a different thing? Am I thinking of st-set geometry? Okay. St-set geometry. Could not find function. Did I not see that? Oh, okay. St geometry is equal to st set geometry of hydrobase of out with, is that how I'm supposed to use it? I don't think so. What if I just did out like this? No. Let's see the documentation for this. It is just ST geometry. Okay. So, ST geometry of df. That's what I was doing. Because that's what I'm wanting to do. So ST geometry of out is equal to hydropressab. Because this is what I thought it would work, but it wasn't working. So error and if character value is not true. Right. So if we do it like, what is going on with this? What is going on with this? So we have out. We need to go look at our hydro basin, which is all of these. So 16397. Out has 16397, which is what I thought. But now we need to combine it with hydropressab, which is up here, which is 16397. You know, I actually think the way we had it first is going to work. Hydropressab, we get no issues. So what if I look at the class of hydropressab? Class hydropressab is that it is SF, so why can I not? Okay, so let's do export R SF as shapefile. I may have just exporting incorrectly. Write simple features objects st write, which is what that is what I'm using, right? Oh. Layer name. Okay, so let's see. St-read package, st-write. Let's do, okay, so now I need to do the layer is equal to hydro, oh, what is it? Hydro hibaz ID. That's what I need to make it. Error, write error. Is output, is it, oh wait, is it outputs or output? Let's double check that really quick. Google Drive, my drive. Yes, okay, this is good. What am I doing? 5 global turtles. It is outputs. Okay, why is it not working though? St-write. See, but this one doesn't even... This one isn't even using a layer. So why can't I just do that? Like, this is all I want to do. Dataset already exists. Oh, well. No, duh. Oh. How curious. Okay, let's do date modified and just delete everything from today, because I don't need any of this. Oh. It's still opening it. Interesting. Let's call it abs. Error. Write error. Right. Oh god. Unknown field name Hybaz. Okay, here we go. Someone else having the same issues. Huh. So let's try this write OGR function. I've used it in the past, and it's given me a lot less issues. So library raster. I think it's from here. Write. Or is it from argdal? Let's see if this works. Hydropresab DSN is equal to outputs test.shape. Argument driver is missing. Okay, let's just do R export a shapefile. Here we go. Spatial is not true, and then as dot spatial. So the problem is here R kind of has two main things that uses spatial. Come on, mouse. My mouse does this where it just will not connect for like 2 seconds randomly. Is it as underscore spatial? Argument layer is missing. Okay, we'll go layer is equal to Hybaz ID. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, now let's see. Cancel. This might be working. Might be, maybe. Maybe we'll see. Oh, are those all the errors? Warnings? I can live with warnings. Let's try this. So base data, import, shape files in Global Turtles. Should be in outputs. Test.shape. Malformed UTF character. Shit. Okay. Global Turtles. Outputs. Shape files. Test. Next. Data are in matrix form. Next. Damn it. Okay, what's going on here? Let's actually, so I can actually open this baby up in QGIS. Maybe I can open it up. We're about to find out. It looks like it exported though. It actually has a file size, you know. Although, yeah, what, 194 megabytes? Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. Let's see. QGIS is free, by the way. Okay. This looks good. Open attribute table. So the shapes themselves are all fine. And then ooh. Oh. Look at this. All of these column headers got messed up. Huh. That's the issue. Okay. Okay. Writing shapefiles are columns messed up. Okay, yeah. I use the stread function. Z dimension. Output a saves point format. 3D point. This isn't what I'm getting at. Okay, well, first off, let's simplify this data set. So what we're going to do is we have the merge, and then what I'm going to do here is we're going to hydroprezab. I think it is. Can I do the select? Okay. Select dplyr column index. So it is select. Okay, yeah. So what we can do is select minus C 2 through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 2 through 14. So if I do that, oh, come on now. You can do this. Is it just because it's a negative constraint? No. What? Come on, dplyr, I know you can work on this. Okay, so export. Default for the layer name is the base name. Needs to guess the driver. Okay. Okay, let's make this better. Oh, you know what? Maybe layer is equal to hibaz ID. Okay. Boom. And then what we'll add in is the driver is equal to esri shapefile. Maybe this will give me. But why is it changing all my field names? So all the field names need to be less than 10. Oh, shit. Shit. Okay, so maybe. Okay, what are the other formats? Because maybe then I could just import as a different format. So import. Raster data. Raster data is where each pixel is associated. But that's not what I need. Fuck. Okay. Fuck, what do we do here? What do we do here? Why is that? No more than 10 characters. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to... Well, no way around it. We just gotta make it. We just gotta shorten them. Okay. So... Okay. Let's go with the... That's really fucking annoying, though. 10 characters? That's bullshit. Okay. Ah. Here's what we'll do. Okay. Write.csv. I'm going to do this in RStudio. Files equal to outputs / I'm going to do this in Excel. That'll be a little bit easier to visualize. Outputs, hydro, presab, names.csv. Screw it. Okay, so then if we go into my Phi Global Turtles, we hit my outputs, hydro, presab, names. Okay, cool. So we're going to open this up. Again, these are just the names. Oh, wait a second. Do I gotta rerun this shit? Okay, let's try some stuff before we get too deep into this. So first off, let's just try and get the hydrobasins in there. If we can just get hydrobasins. Okay, so shapefiles. Let's just do the hydrobasins. No, I tried this. Okay, wait. So if we go to... Hold on. Inputs, hydrobasin. What do these look like? Or can I just... Wait a second. No, I should do this. Okay, so if I open up this attribute table so I can understand it a bit better. Yes, so this is what I have, and this is all fine. Okay, so if I import it, malformed UTF character. Can I open this up with like just a text editor? I'm just curious what happens if I open it up as a text editor. I didn't mean to make that the default. Oopsies. Yeah, that was a mistake. Okay. Open with, choose a different app. Okay. So... Okay, biodiverse software, open shapefile. Okay, this is good. Okay. It says they can do it. Interesting. Oh, so it just makes a fishnet grid of polygons. Hmm. Yeah, this is tricky. Okay, maybe there's another way we can visualize this. Let's see. So if we have these results, I want to be able to like select, basically what I'm wanting to do is be able to select a particular area and figure out what species are represented in that area. Hence why I've wanted to be able to go into here and select like this one and it shows all the areas that it's in. That's really what I wanted. And that's going to just help us out so much. Because this isn't really helping us out. So base data, view the labels. Let's do that. Yeah. Base data, view. No outputs. Okay. So I want to attach a group properties, which I think oh no, every single one of these. 。 Hmm. Describe. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just like, do I need to just convert the high-baz IDs into a raster grid? Really don't want to do that though. Kind of defeats the purpose of a lot of this shit. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, I guess ultimately what I could do is just raster the world and make a... At least get it kind of close. And then don't worry about it lining up directly with the high-baz units. Let's do that. Yep. Okay. So... map tools... map... oh god, what is this map tool that I'm thinking of? There's a way just to get maps. And I am massively forgetting it. It is in map tools, right? Okay. Get US map. Map tools. Oh, no. Map tools are... map tools. World simple. Okay, map tools, world. Map tools. Resolution. If I want to convert the world into... let's do it 9,000 by 9,000. So let's do it 950. See what that does. Oh, point. There we go. So if I just plot rast, no values associated with it. Okay, way too many cells. 69, nice, but not what I'm wanting. I mean, I guess I could just do... Wait. Oh, where is my, shit. I need to find my, functions. Oh shit. Where is this? Oh god. Ah. God, this is like really difficult. Oh my gosh, I have coffee. Forgot about that. What if instead I make something in R? Oh, here we go, here we go. So this would be tmap. Is it a package? Okay, hold on. Library, tmap, I need to install that. So if we do, let's just try one really quick. So let's try it like with this one. Let's crop it and just do it for the Western Hemisphere. So then here we're gonna go to tmap and then tm polygons. Okay, so it's tm hydrophyllocluster. Well, I don't. Let's load the data. This is hopefully going to get what I need. Let's see. Thank God there's a package for it. Okay. Okay, it's plotting. But how interactive is it? So... Okay, so I need to apply tmap leaflet. So would that be plus tmap leaflet? Is that all I need to add? Error. Argument X is missing. So we need to add in which ones we're doing. Let's go with okay, let's go with richness, just to test this out. Error, richness not found. Maybe I need to put in quotations. View. To the static map. So that's going to be applied. Maybe this is what I need. Element missing. Let's do it like this. Okay, first off, let's just do it like this. Fuck it. And then I'm just checking things. Ah, I see. How did it know I wanted the richness, though? Or is this just doing the cluster? This is just doing the cluster, which is fine. Wait a second. Could I embed this into my Notion? Could I directly embed this into my Notion? I could. Oh, shiznats. Okay, hold on. Hold the fucking front door. Also, this should work, I think. Because it is taking this attempt to apply non-function. Okay. Or I would be applying it to all of this. I am a god among men. Okay. Okay, so TM polygons, so fill is equal to cluster. I think that's all I would need to do. Object cluster. Okay, wait. Let's remove one variable first. Okay. So this I would need to do AES, fill is equal to cluster maybe. Maybe that's all I'm missing. Maybe it's just call. Maybe I need to factor it first. Okay, hold on. Let's look at the tmap package, because this is game changer. Hold on. Wow. TM polygons based on this. So why don't we do it TM polygons? We just do it by cluster. And I feel... Okay, they want it in quotations, which is fine. I'm just hoping it colors it. That's all I want. Don't want what the range is. Okay, so I think we need to go TM facets by TM facets by equals cluster, and then let's just see what happens. Interesting, but not what I wanted. Okay, so that's not what I really want. No. What am I doing here? I do not want it to be making these categories. I want it to definitely not facets though. Yeah, I just don't like how it's doing it like this. That's not what I need. Maybe this isn't the right thing. Okay. Huh. Okay. We go to Tmap shape. Name is master simplify raster beatbox units. No. Okay, so let me just Tmap, fill all. I don't know. That's. Okay, maybe it's just that. Maybe it's just TM_fill. Maybe I don't need the by function. Okay, call is equal to factor boom. Okay, Tmap, don't make ranges for values. R. No, Tmap. Okay, there we go. Breaks. so tm fill call is equal to cluster. But then we need style is equal to fixed. Breaks are equal to Can I just make that work? C1 through 29. No. Ah! Okay. We're getting there. My music also stopped. Because I just do not like how it's lumping things together, but this is good. This is really good again. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Let's figure out what... Wow, look at this really sexy biologist streamer. Okay, no. Let's see. Godspeed you, Black Emperor. In F sharp, A sharp. What is that? Dead Fang Blues, East Hastings. You know it's a good album when there's 3 songs and it's an hour long. Okay. Back into R. Okay. Tmap. Maybe it's not TM shape and I just do... What if I just do TM fill? Okay, let's... Because this isn't working. Okay. So maybe I just specify n equals to 29? That way it makes 29 different groupings? Oh, there we go. Okay, so... There we go, there we go. This is what I want. Yeah, let's make the palette Viridis then. I don't think I spelled palette right. 1L. Perfection. Okay, and actually, what palette am I using? Not even any. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now is when I add on there tm underscore, what was it, leaf? Tmap leaflet? Oh, right. I just need to wrap everything, and then, boom. So now when you hover over it, you get the cluster. Okay. So cluster 10. So now just to double check, if I save this as a web page let's just say testing HTML output. Let's now go into my Notion, because this is going to change my fucking game. Okay. Embed. Upload. And now we'll go to... I want to see if I can directly upload it. I named it, what, testing something? Yeah, here we go. Oh, come on. Actually embed. Will it actually embed? Come on. Ah, no! Oh my gosh. That would be perfect. Okay, Notion. This is what we're gonna do today. Oh, so wait, do I create a code block? Let's say this is HTML. So now if I go here, copy the HTML code. Okay, wait. So, inspect elements. Oop, I hit paste twice. Also, I have no idea what I'm watching, but this is so good, but it's also so depressing. Jesus Christ, this is incredible. Okay. Oh, I almost did the big dirty delete. Okay, so wait, boom. Now if I paste this HTML into this HTML code snippet, what happens? It's gonna take a second. But if it actually just loads it up, I'm gonna be amazed. Also, do these code snippets have capability for R? I like how messed up it looks on here. Hey, it's blocky, but at least it works. Now, inside the code, you need to do the following. Shit. Using HTML saver. No. Okay. Embed HTML file into Notion. How to embed. Really? Oh, that's kind of funny. Huh. Yeah, so I guess I would need to figure out the exact Okay, so if I copy element, I'm just like so curious about this. I mean, it is uploading properly. Ooh, wait. So, no, it says too large. Okay, so this isn't gonna work. So close. Now let's look at embed leaflet into Notion. It is, so it is on GitHub. Okay. So we're gonna go to my GitHub. Sign in, Diljoan. Okay, so your profile. This is my GitHub. Let's make a project. Okay, jump right in. Yeah, we'll just make a new. Okay, repository name. Visualizations. These are visualizations I make mainly to embed into my Notion. Public. I'll just keep it a readme. Okay, create repo. Okay. So what they're going to say is code, create a new file within the code. Code, creating a new file. Cool. Okay. So, okay, testing. Changes in your repository, click settings, choose master branch, choose a theme, it won't matter. It's published at the given link. Let's find settings, visualizations. So this needs to go to branches, main, branch protection. Okay, wait. GitHub pages, source, main, save. Okay, so we did that. And now, after that, it doesn't matter. I'll use Slate. Okay. And so, you'll notice now that your HTML file is published at the given link. Liar. Lies. This is fine. Okay. Okay, so if I go to my code, I have my HTML. Okay, wait. Go to File. Okay, go to File. Okay, so whether to get the HTML. Copy the HTML code. So what if I just add the file? Like, what if I just straight up upload the HTML file that I have? So for example, okay, I think I called it, oh no, I put it in here and it's called testing. Okay, boom. Okay, commit changes. Processing your files. Boom. Okay, that's all fine. So now if we go to settings, if we go to pages, if we go to here, it says it's ready to be published. So I make sure the file name case matches the URL. Why does it say ready to be published, but not actually published? Right. Yep, it's on main. Your site is published. Ah. I mean, basically all I just want on here is just the ability to do it. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Huh. I've like accomplished literally nothing today. Wow. Interesting. Well, at least I can still make these visualizations and at least save them as HTML files. I think that'll be the appropriate answer. What I really want to do now then is maybe highlight over this. Maybe I can create a visualization that highlights over it and then shows the phylogeny. Hey, how's it going?
Streaming?
Yeah, I'm not sure if anyone's here though. So I've been struggling with this research.
Oh no.
Because I'm trying to visualize some stuff and understand my canopy results, but I'm just not being able to visualize them properly. And like I feel like I'm really close. Like I have this visualization right now, which is really easy. So I can like highlight over them and get any value I want. Yeah, so it works out pretty nicely.
Looks good.
Yeah, it's very basic. But this isn't what I'm needing though. This is the problem. Because originally I was going to want to look at my... then I got sidetracked. Basically I wanted to be able to like highlight an area and try to understand what's going on here with these visualizations. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. If I take the raw values of this, group them by their cluster...
I'm gonna put my shit down.
That sounds dumb.